Top of the day, highest vibrations. It's your girl Tears, no E's, only threes for alignment. Listen, I don't know what's going on with my finger. Make sure you stay moisturized out there, my friend. But listen, I know the journey can get the journey in. And at this moment, let's just release anything in our path and clear the way so you can get this massage. And if you don't know, yes, namaste. So let's start off with an oracle card, but it's going to come with a beautiful scripture, so we got some nice spiritual energy back behind it. With the blessings of the source of all creation, support of the highest vibrations, what is the message for the person aligning? All right, we're going to do this one. It says your faith has saved you. Go in peace. So congratulations. Listen, sometimes on the journey, you're going to be tested on how much do you believe in yourself. You know, you're going to be given this dream, this idea. And a lot of people may think, oh, okay, it's just a fantasy. I'm not meant to achieve it in this lifetime. But that is the sole reason of why you exist. And so when you follow this dream for yourself, you are actually unraveling your devotion not only to your source, but to that source expression that you have been embodied to show the world, that version of source itself. So congratulations, there's something coming for you. All right, that's what you need to hear. So now we're going to dive into the Golden Source Tarot deck and see a little bit more. Source, can you give me more on what this faith has saved the person aligning? Okay, so we got a rebirth among us. If you're a Scorpio, double hooray to you because it's coming through. Scorpio moon, they said, and Queen of Souls. So there's something that you do very well in expressing yourself. But I can tell you that you probably felt like the road of this expression wasn't going anywhere because death didn't even want to go straight up. Left ear. Your spirituality for a second could have been tested. Okay, not only for a second, but for a long time. But there's something, your faith has saved you. So we have 9 of mind. 9 is the completion. There was this big nasty dragon in the way, blocking your view to the point where for a little bit you probably sat down and was like, I can't see my path. I can't. But you see how long that sword is? Yeah, you reached up in the depths of yourself and you sliced through that mental jail that, you know, that I'm hearing impersonator. So somebody could have impersonated and project onto you, trying to give you this spiritual mental roadblock, but that you still rise. So congratulations. All right, let's get more into the energy. There were 2 cards, so I'm just going to reshuffle. Once again, forgive and you shall be forgiven. So I am hearing at this time you have been forgiven, and that is why your faith has saved you. And now it says, well done, thou art a good servant. All right, so here's the thing. There's something you're working on. There's something that is now getting the green flag. Red flag you thought it was. The red flag towards moving and pursuing this expression of yourself was all part of an initiation, so to say. And this is the confirmation I'm getting via clairaudience. So right now, the divine is giving you an offering. Only you know what's happening behind the scenes of this screen in your own personal life. But it's giving you an offering to really step into your destiny, okay? You got mugwort for psychic healing, and then we have destiny. I'm not going to try and read that word. But something in your mind is healing. We had 9 of mind earlier. The turmoil of your mind was more so, I'm saying initiation, but you personally could have felt like it was a punishment because you're like, dang, why am I getting shot all up and down in my source expression? But you have to know, congratulations. I'm hearing congratulations, because the hard part is over. The hard part is over, and now we're going to get to the divine bag. Now right now something is popping up. It's beloved. So this is a personal message for somebody. You are loved beyond imagine. You are stronger than, well, you just proved how strong you were, but it's showing itself because now you're at the point, not only can you take in this congratulations, but you're able to move forward in dedication, in persistence, knowing that you are in good hands. Shall I start scrying the smoke right now? Okay, Not only you are not alone on this journey, okay? You never been alone, but maybe in the past, as part of your initiation, certain angelic beings couldn't be in your presence to keep giving you that go ahead, like, hey, you got it, you got it. Money's coming to you, right? As the bee came through, money's coming to you, but you couldn't get the validation you were seeking. So that's why at the end of the day, your mind you just felt like you was fighting that dragon all along. Well, the initiation period is over. You slayed it, and now you're on to bigger and better. Now the bee did come through the Magic Within book, so we are going to go ahead and get a passage from there. All right, with the blessings of the source of all creation, support of the highest vibrations, guide my hands for the person aligning. All right. Soulmate relationships often feel profoundly significant, yet they rarely necessitate a complete upheaval of one's life. The transformation is gradual and organic evolution of self-awareness and growth. The shared experiences and mutual respect deepen understanding of both individuals. So I will give you your confirmation. Everything you have passed in this previous test was part of a twin flame journey. Now, a lot of you guys should be aware of this twin flame dynamic, of this connection, even though you may be in the separation phase. So to say this is not the end of the story. I'm hearing hooray, so maybe that's what you really wanted in the depths of your soul. You allowed yourself to keep moving forward in spite of soulmate, and that is what makes you so stunning, so congratulatory from your divine team right now. Okay, I'm pulling 2 cards. Yeah, you learned not to force the love, so to say, even when things couldn't have been working out the way you wanted. Okay, maybe another dynamic was involved. Maybe you had evidence, but still you allowed yourself to move forward in spite of, and move towards a higher calling instead. All right, I'm going to pull some more cards now. Okay, out of all the cards, only one card showed itself, and it was 4 of Wands. Yeah, so you guys are not together right now. You guys aren't celebrating right now, but a celebration is still coming in your favor. Bottom of the deck, we got the Empress. Because you, my friend, have rose from the dead. You have done what the others may not have done before you in your bloodline, and you let that love go because you realize there's a love deeper within you, a little more unconditional than you could ever fathom, and that life will go on, and that it shall. Now, before I close this out, I'm going to go ahead and pull a card and see what maybe some hidden feelings are for the person you are thinking about in this twin flame soulmate connection. All right, source, what is the person aligning? What is their soulmate twin flame thinking? All right, so their clairaudience is coming on board to the point where their ancestors, their divine team is speaking to them through music. All right, we got you speak to me through music. And I would say to help them, they're thinking about you more than you want to. They're thinking about you more than what you are assuming. They are in a state of trying to force themselves not to remember the day. But they're at this point where they may be getting nightmares themselves, where they're just constantly thinking about you. That is to give you the peace of mind of who you are in this whole dynamic as you keep growing into your best self. But source, what do we have? You need to believe in yourself now more than ever. Nothing you say to reach out to this person, I'm hoping, that you're not looking to reach out to them. I'm hoping that you want to keep moving forward towards your destiny as the green light has been given and doors are unlocking. Doors are unlocking like nobody's business.